today we're gonna show you the 7 categories of sports training.
Good day, everyone. So today we will perform one of the components in sports training, which is individuality.
So now we will gonna show you a specific exercise, which is the curl up, that will show you what does the individuality means. So watch out and learn.
Yeah.
So now, as you can see from what we perform, you can definitely see what does the differences, what are our differences in our way of exercising. So you can definitely see the individuality.
And now we're discussing the progression exercise. And with my buddies, we're going to demonstrate the 3 exercises that are progressive. At first, the normal push-up, and the next is the Yeong push-up, and the last one is the archer push-up. And the first push-up is conducted by my colleague, Jacob. And that one is the normal push-up. And the next one is the archer push-up that being conducted by my colleague, Christian. And now, we are at the next push-up, which is what we call archer push-up, that being demonstrated by And that is the 3 push-up, which is progressive. Thank you.
Good day. So we are going to explain the overload. So overload in sports is a training exercise that increases the performance of program hours to improve the performance. So it can be used for strength and any cardiovascular and any exercises. In strength training, you can add weight to the bar, increase the level of the weight of the bar, and increase the repetitions or do the repetitions more quickly. For example, this week, you are going to lift a 10 kilogram of 10 kilogram bar. Then the following week, you are going to add 2 kilogram to the bar. So you are going to add weight on the bar. So on the following week. In the cardio, you can increase the length of the distance training. You can increase the speed, and you can add more training techniques. For example, this week you are going to run one kilometer, and then the following week you are relax